Entering the store.
This store is big.
Yes, it is.
We need a shopping cart.
Look, over there.
Great. Let's take one.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where should we go first?
Let's look around first.
That's a good plan.
Come with me. Looking for products. Leo, we need coffee.
I can't find it.
Me neither.
Let's ask the clerk. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
where is the coffee?
It's in aisle 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here it's.
There are many brands.
I like this one.
I like that one.
Which one is better?
I don't know.
Let's buy the bigger one.
Good choice.
What do we need next?
Let's find the fruit.
Okay, let's go. Choosing items. We need cereal.
Here they are.
Let's check the expiration date.
Good idea. Fresh food is important.
This one is good.
Yes, it expires next year.
Look. This one is on sale.
Really?
Yes. It is 20% off.
That's great. Put it in the cart.
Done. We are almost finished.
Yes, almost.
At the checkout. Hello,
Hello.
did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $30.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Payment approved.
Great.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Leaving the store. That was a good shopping trip.
Yes, it was.
The store was very clean.
Yes, and it was well organized.
Our bags are a little heavy.
Yes, but that's okay.
Let's go home. We can cook dinner tonight.
That sounds great. Let's go.